This video is brought to you by QTH The Lightning Products and sponsored by busy2buy.com. Shop with confidence.
Hello friends, welcome back. Let's start with our new topic, sharing content on social media. Creating social media accounts is the beginning of using social media in marketing. The next part is posting content and interacting with the followers. Although posting content from other blogs and websites can help you, but this is not always recommended practice, especially if you want to convert the visitors into buyers. In order to do so, you have to get people to visit your own website or online store where you will have the chance to convert the visitors or get them to subscribe to your newsletters. Content marketing refers to creating content in promotional purposes, and it can refer to various forms of content such as blog articles, ebooks, images, etc. This kind of content can be shared on social media accounts in the purpose of engaging users and increasing traffic on your blog or website. When it comes to characteristics and types of the content that you can share in social media, let's have a look on the most useful suggestions that will help with content sharing. Types of content. Let's begin with high quality content. There is so much spammy content on the internet as well as on social networks. A lot of people try to get traffic and conversions, but they are not willing to invest time to achieve this goal. This is the reason why there is so much of low quality content. Sometimes this content is only created in order to attract search engines with the extensive usage of keywords and keyword phrases. But the content itself provides no value to the readers. When it comes to sharing on social media, this kind of content will not provide any results. Content published on your social media accounts has to be of high quality in order to encourage people to click on the link and to share it with their friends. Creating high quality content requires a lot of time and dedication from your part, but this is necessary if you want to create content that can become viral. It is better to invest a lot of time and create content occasionally, such as once a week, than creating low content every day. High quality content has more of a chance to get the results and help you benefit from being active on social networks. High quality content requires you addressing current and popular topics with an original approach and in-depth analysis and plenty of facts to support your statements. Obviously, you will need to invest time into research and creating of such content, regardless of the format of the content. Photos. Photos are said to be the most engaging type of content on social media. They are visually appealing and successful in attracting attention. The development of technology enables anyone to easily create high resolution photos. Simple photo editing software facilitates editing of the photos, adding text to the photo, etc. All of this has affected the importance of images in social media marketing. Besides customizing accounts with profile and cover or header images, status updates can be accompanied by the photos of your products, of customers using your product, etc. For example, if you own a cafe, you could encourage customers to share the photos of them being in your cafe. On the other hand, if you sell bikes, user can share images of them while cycling outdoors. This strategy can be applied to all sorts of industries. You can also share similar images of yourself. For example, if you own a shop that sells accessories, photos you share on your page can contain suggestions on how to wear a particular item, how to combine it with different clothes, etc. Photos are especially helpful if you want to use social networks such as Instagram or Pinterest. Since these networks are specialized in sharing images, you will need this type of content if you want to participate and engage users. It is also recommended that you can include photos in your blog post and on your websites. Graphics. Besides regular images, we can also have graphics or infographics. These images typically have a certain background, which can be an image, a simple plain page, or a page with some sort of a pattern. The text and the graphics are added to this image using software for photo editing. This can help you share codes, definitions, statistics, charts, etc. This way, relevant information and data can be presented using visual elements that easily attract attention of the users on social networks. Graphics and infographics are nice bonus to the content you share on your website. They are easily shared on other blogs and social networks as well. If the graphic provides real value so that the people find them helpful and interesting, it is very likely that other blogs or websites writing about the related topic would feature the infographic themselves. Videos. Video is a type of content that can help you generate a lot of traffic as well as engagement. There are different kinds of videos that can be shared. The most obvious one that has been a part of traditional marketing for quite some time is a promotional video. Even though they can be helpful and a good representation for your business, these videos are not likely to go viral. Let's have a look on types of videos that might help you when trying to establish your presence on social media. Review videos. Review videos are useful for showing features and functions of a product. You as a manufacturer can create review videos when you introduce a new or upgraded product in order to present new features. Popular review videos are often created by individuals who decide to create this kind of video in order to show the usage and benefits or negative sides of a product. While individuals can create this video on their own, you can also contact someone to create the review video for you. Tutorial videos. These videos are sort of instructional videos created in educational purposes. They can be used in various different industries in the purpose of educating audience about using something, for example, software. People find these kind of videos very useful and helpful, which is why they are very popular and often shared. It also ensures the large number of views. Entertaining videos. Entertaining videos are very popular, especially among young people. The engaging factor in these type of videos is to entertain. It can be a funny commercial, a hidden camera video, or any kind of creative video that you can think of. As a result, these videos are very often shared and frequently recommended among social network users, especially on video based networks such as YouTube. Having in mind that these videos are not suitable for all businesses. Live chat. These type of videos are popular as they allow people from different parts of the world to meet online and exchange experience and ideas on a certain topic. Using any of the available platforms such as Skype, Google Hangouts, live chat can be live streamed or recorded so people can watch them. Introduction of Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter live stream and similar features made these type of videos even more popular and they became widely accepted on social networking sites. The nature of these videos affects the fact that they cannot be used in all of the industries. But if you manage to find benefits of using this kind of video material, it could be a great promotion for your company. Links. Sharing links on social media is a good way to generate traffic. If you have a blog where you can update content regularly or a website with lots of content, you can share pages on the social media in order to invite social followers to visit those pages. When it comes to link sharing, those can be really helpful as they can provide statistics in terms of number of clicks, user location, etc. You can use one of those URL shortening services like bit.ly.com. Not only does this kind of service shortens the link, which is especially useful when sharing on Twitter due to a limited number of characters per tweet, but you will also get insights related to the link in question. So you can see how many people have clicked on the link and which social network have generated the most clicks. As a result, you will get the information about the popularity of each link, about social network that is most effective for your business, as well as information about the location of the user, which might influence your definition of target audience.